over 3 minutes. The monkey is on the wall again. The monkey is. The monkey is on the wall. Yes, he is. He is on the wall. He is on the wall trying to get the toys to fall off again. Are you a monkey or a bird? Are you a monkey or a bird? Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. There's all the splintered wood. Hey, Goofball, are you a bird or a monkey? Are you a birdie or a monkey? Look at smarty pants. Spinning and spinning to get that off. Spin, spin. Spin, spin. Are you a goofball? Are you goofy? Are you goofy? Are you? Are you a goofy bird? Uh-oh, there it goes. There it went. There it went. Now what? All done? Are you all done? Now what? Let's see what happens next. What happens next, huh? What you gonna do now? What you gonna do? What you going to do? You gonna make it fall? Flip, flip. Flip, flip. Flip, flip. What happened to the block that was on there? What happened to the block? What happened to the piece that was on the end? Flip. Flip. You can't get that off as easily, can you? No. You can't get those to fall off that easy when it's tilted. Smarty pants. Smarty pants. Smarty pants. That's all. Bye-bye. 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 Well, now he's going to do something else. Oh, now what? You dropped it. You dropped it. You dropped it. Now what? Now what? What you going to do? What you going to do now? What you going to do? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It didn't land on the other hook. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Should we pause? Mama fixed it for you. See, she put the block back on the end so the toys don't fall off. And she put the ring back on the end. Not gonna be much time. Not gonna be much time. Wonder what'll happen first. Oh no, say bye-bye time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.